everyone, how are you? Today I wanted to use this. This is the ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply palette. I know I did not need another palette, but I went in Ulta and it just happened. It just happened. But oh my gosh, I've only tried 2 of the ones that I got. Let me show you the other one. And it's like nothing, kind of, but it's everything, kind of. That's taupe. Look at these colors. Oh, I know it's a mess. If you're very fair and you have pink undertones and most brownish colors, I mean, they look okay, but they're just not what you want. Y'all need to get this. The tones in this are perfection. You can tell. Can you tell how deep I've gone into them? I love this palette. So, I haven't played that much with this one. I'll show you the other one I got. And I don't know who this person is. I know some people don't enjoy Morphe eyeshadows. I have never had a problem with Morphe eyeshadows. I walked by this display. Now, guess what color spoke to me? The greens. Those are like perfection. Perfection. So I got this. It is Morphe Ashley. This is what the outside. This spoke to me. First it was the greens. And then like this is something I could achieve in my art studio. So I don't know who Ashley Strong is, but if she picked the outside packaging and the colors, I'm impressed. Okay, but we're not going to use that one today. What else did I get that day? I picked up some Essence eyelash primer. I picked up a couple black eyeliners from NYX because I was having a hard time finding the Milani ones that I love. I picked up a couple of the Ulta Beauty Velvet Matte Lips because I love these. A couple of these live with me at the studio in my top drawer. This is Soul Search. And this is In the Moment. I know they're very similar, but you can tell there's a difference. You know what I mean? Why won't you focus? There you go. And I got a ColourPop lippy sticks. Isn't it pretty? And that's just, you know, it's pretty. It's pretty because I do have to get rid of so many of my lipsticks. I've just had them way too long, not used them. You know, hoarder life. Oh, I got this. This is the Essence Prime Studio Poreless Skin Blurring Putty Primer. I have this on today. I'm using it because I bought it, but I would get the e.l.f. Putty Primer over this, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Mini haul. I'm going to go in with the lightest shade. Okay, just because I want to use it as a transition, I'm going to go in with this color next. I know you're probably surprised that I'm sitting here doing a makeup video. I came in and got things straightened up somewhat and organized, and I played with makeup. I made a post on Instagram. It felt so good, and it was like, oh my gosh, I almost feel like me again. I'm going into the same color. I just want it to be a nice canvas to blend the other colors onto. I have no idea. It's just one of those days. I'm just going in. I have nothing preconceived in my mind. I think I'm going to go a little bit pinky. We're going to go into this one. I was just I was thinking, you know, I got so frustrated. I had done a get ready with me. I had done an empties video. I'm not kidding you. I filled up a black garbage bag with empties because I hadn't done one in months. And I went to edit and I was like, ugh. And I don't necessarily think that it was the beauty part that was I think it was the, why are you stuck in the same routine? If you want to do it, eye look, if you want to do just a sit down and chat or whatever, you know, I'm not saying I'll never do another empties video, but that's really pink, Trish. I'm just saying I don't want, like, I love doing get ready with me's. But, you know, the video, I think the videos, that's really pink. I think the videos that I miss the most are the get ready with me's. Just a little bit of a check-in chat, not like an, I mean, mine are like an hour long regardless, but like a check-in kind of a thing, you know, like showing an eyeshadow. Because I was thinking, I have, right here is a little, one of those little bookcases from Target, right there, coming into my makeup room. It is full of eyeshadow palettes, full. I have 3 drawers. I have 2 big containers. I know, that's why I was like, I don't need these 3 eyeshadow palettes. I had some money from Christmas. You know, I'm gonna be real honest. I think the Lord has taken me through a process of swallowing my pride a little bit, because I've always been so independent financially in so many ways. And I think he was like, child, we need to fix this a little bit. I had money that was given to me for Christmas, and this is the really pale color. And that's when I got, because I needed the eyeliner, and then I had seen this several times and thought, oh, I want that, and then I didn't. So I did just go ahead, because, you know, starting a new business, I have no money. I can't go out and buy all new makeup to try, not even a fraction like I could, like not even a fraction. I'm just blending. I will tell you that this would probably be, this or the Wet n Wild would probably be my next purchases. I love this. I used it a bunch, and then I saw Natalie doing videos on it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot about that. And then it took me forever. It took me forever to find it, and then I finally found it. And I used it all. I mean, it's, you can tell, it is just about gone. I finished my Giorgio Armani, my Luminous Silk. I love that. No way I can get that anytime soon. I think I have one more use of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. And it was just in my head, you know what? If you can't be getting stuff and trying it, what are you even thinking about? I'm going to take this and mix it with this. What are you doing? But I think we're all past the huge hauls with makeup. I mean, makeup's fun, don't get me wrong. But I have so much that I'm working through, and I'm really proud of myself for working through it. I don't know. I was just like, you know what? I got so excited when I was in here just playing around with makeup. It was just so nice. Zoe was right here by my side. She is doing pretty well. We actually have a vet visit coming up next month. She'll be 13. I have been working on revamping my website. Sitting here talking to y'all, and you left. So thank you. This is actually, I found this at, I think I got this at Target too. It is the Supreme Kohl eyeliner from Milani, and I've liked it pretty well. It does transfer down to my lower lash line a little bit, but it does not irritate my eyes. And I'm putting on very little Shake and Glow Mist. Spray that on this.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I'm going to use NYX lip pencil in mauve. I'm going to use Oh Snap. This is that lip pencil that I just picked up from ColourPop. It's really pretty. CoverGirl and Milani. Here's a fun fact. I took my hair down this morning. I brushed it. I don't think I'm going to have time to curl it, so it might be a low pony today. My hair's grown enough that I actually got a little bit of a curl in it. I can make it work and then just take like a scrunchie or something. I'm good. Thanks for getting ready with me. I hope that you have a beautiful day. God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year.